You know, I think I came just a bit overdressed. But the makeup can stay. Today we're going to do one of my favorite videos ever, a full hair transformation. Feshfen sent me a brand new wig. I'm completely going to disregard the hair's current state because it's how I woke up today. And today we're going to completely wreck/better this wig. This is a synthetic wig from Feshfen. It's got this gorgeous lilac-y color and it's super long. So what am I gonna do? I wanna cut it really short and then straighten it. Synthetic wigs are kind of a bit trickier to make look natural, obviously because the hair fiber itself is not made of hair. It is synthetic. It's a synthetic material that behaves kind of like hair, but in other cases does not behave like hair. Today I'm going to see how it behaves when I cut it, and I'm gonna cut it, and also when I straighten/blow dry it slightly. Synthetic wigs can take slight heat. They can take up to 180 degrees Celsius. If you do it very lightly. Anything more than that, you're going to start smelling a really nice odor of melting plastics. Basically, the goal of this video is both to do a complete hair change regardless of what the hair is currently, and B, to see how far I can take a synthetic wig. The link of this wig will be down in the description box below. Also, I've got a coupon code, so use it. Stella18, you get 18% off. Yay! $18 off? I should know. I've done many wigs of theirs. Hi! I'm looking kind of wacko, so I'm gonna get out of the shot and explain kind of like in a voiceover. This is our wig. It is synthetic. It's probably around 24 inches. Very long. And today I am going to be cutting it probably down to here, kind of like a bob. Synthetic wigs have the downside that they always get really tangled. You need quite a strong, firm hand to brush it all out, because otherwise you're just gonna end up in a mass of knots. I am going to start with the funnest part of any haircut, basically tying it off and cutting it all off. When I'm doing this, I'm always aiming to cut longer than I'm intending, because then we're still going to have to chop it off to make it all even. What I'm basically going to be doing is first straightening this out and then immediately cutting it. Yes, it's kind of the lazy way to cut hair, but freaking suck it. I'm lazy. Should I go shorter? Yeah, let's go a bit shorter, yeah. Synthetic hair is very bulky, so if we're gonna cut it one length, it's definitely going to kind of show, so I'm feathering it out immediately.
Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. to me? What you mean to me? But does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time don't speak. Got me on delay. 'Cause I crossed a million seas. Would you do that for me?
Hi, it's me, Becky with the good hair. So after 2 hours of doing this blessed haircut, I ended up with this. I like it. It turns out I didn't go for a straight bob. I went for kind of like an asymmetrical look. No worries. Now that it's straight and kind of cut and oh my god, no more tangles, it feels a lot like real. Yes! I feel like I aced this video because I kind of look really cute. With my purple bob. I am living for this, so I encourage you to try it out as well. The shine is kind of throwing me off, but nothing that a little dry shampoo won't fix. I'm going to be linking the link of this wig down in the description box below in the event that you want to do the exact same thing to your brand new wig. In the event that you want a different color, Feshfen have literally so many choices for synthetic wigs, so whatever you want, you can get. So that's really cool, but I am going to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.